Hello, welcome to our next episode on low blood pressure. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from Managing of Hypotension. 7. Exercise regularly, improve circulation. Regular physical activity like walking, cycling, or swimming can strengthen the heart and improve blood flow, helping to regulate blood pressure. Avoid prolonged bed rest. Prolonged periods of inactivity can weaken the cardiovascular system and contribute to low blood pressure. 8. Monitor blood pressure, track your readings. Regularly checking your blood pressure at home can help you spot changes early and ensure it stays within a healthy range. See your doctor regularly. Routine checkups are important, especially if you experience symptoms of low blood pressure like dizziness or fainting. 9. Medications, when prescribed, prescription medications. If lifestyle changes aren't enough, a doctor may prescribe medications to raise blood pressure, such as fludrocortisone, increases blood volume. Midodrine helps constrict blood vessels to raise blood pressure. Review current medications. If medications are causing low blood pressure, a doctor may adjust the dosage or recommend alternatives. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 10. Address underlying health conditions, treating chronic conditions. Conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and adrenal insufficiency should be managed effectively to help stabilize blood pressure. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions like hypothyroidism or Addison's disease require appropriate medical treatment to regulate blood pressure. 11. Avoid prolonged heat exposure. Avoid hot showers or environments. Hot weather or hot baths can cause blood vessels to dilate, lowering blood pressure. Take precautions when in hot climates and stay cool. 12. Manage stress. Stress reduction techniques. Chronic stress can contribute to fluctuating blood pressure. Practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help manage stress and improve overall well-being. When to seek medical attention, seek immediate medical help if low blood pressure causes severe symptoms like confusion, fainting, difficulty breathing, chest pain, or if the person shows signs of shock, cold, clammy skin, rapid pulse. Managing low blood pressure involves addressing both lifestyle factors and any underlying medical conditions. Working with a healthcare provider is key to developing an appropriate plan that fits your individual needs. Thank you for watching all our episode on hypertension and hypotension education. Hope to see you on our next topic, and I still urge to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this.